Thank you. We're going in depth now on a landmark settlement that could change the way we buy and sell homes and could impact home prices. So this focuses on commissions charged by real estate agents. These agents could see their incomes plunge. The National Association of Realtors, the largest trade group in the nation, agreed to pay $418 million to settle class action lawsuits over broker commissions. As part of the settlement, they admit to no wrongdoing. Deborah KXAN, real estate reporter for the New York Times, is joining us to break everything down for us. Deborah, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, first, just break down this for us. What does this mean for buyers as well as sellers?
For both buyers and sellers, this is going to change the way the housing market works. Most importantly, it's going to make it so that sellers who used to pay commissions both to their agents and to the agents who represented their buyers are no longer going to be able to do that. So sellers are going to pay only their own agents. Buyers are now going to be responsible for paying a fee to the agents who represent them. And that's new. That has not been the case. And that's probably the biggest shift we're going to see from this settlement.
Okay, it's a huge shakeup. What exactly does this mean? I think a lot of people are wondering this. What does this mean for housing affordability?
So it's not a direct impact on the housing market, but in terms of how much money Americans are spending on commissions to real estate agents, it's something like $100 billion a year. If those commissions go down, it will most likely also impact the cost of housing because commissions have been baked into home prices for years. So if you're selling a house and you're paying the standard 6% commission, which has really been the gold standard of what people are paying for years and years, that number has been tacked on to the sale price. When that commission number goes down, the sale price is going to go down, which is going to affect the market overall.
Okay, and all of this really impacts the real estate industry, realtors. What's the biggest impact to them, especially commission as well?
For real estate agents, this is really hard news, and it's going to be very difficult for them. And a lot of real estate agents are very unhappy about this settlement, understandably. There are people who work really hard, and they have been relying on commission as their primary income. And those commissions are now most likely going to drop because for the first time, there's going to be real competition in the market. And when there's competition, people are going to offer lower prices because there's going to be more of a bid for business. So the standard 6% commission is probably going to have to go down as more agents are competing in the market.
Okay, and then lastly, does this deal need more additional approval?
The deal is still subject to court approval. The settlement has been signed by attorneys for NAR and for the plaintiffs. It's likely to go to the court in the next few days, and we'll be reporting on that when it happens.
Okay, we'll check in with you then. Deborah KXAN from the New York Times. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Coming up now.